Armolan is one of the market leaders in the field of tinting, safety, security and decorative films. Armolan window films can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from tinting of cars to tinting of buildings. Safety and security films help protect window glass from shattering. Paint protection films protect vehicles from damage caused by rocks, gravel and other debris. Decorative films are designed to add distinction to any interior and make any glass partition or glass window a real eye-catcher. Energy-saving films help reduce air conditioning or heating costs. And of course, all our films protect you from harmful UV rays. As you can see, tinting window films are indeed indispensable. That is why Armolan.com offers a wide variety of professional window films and tools. Any Armolan window film has a multi-layer structure that determines the film type and its warranty period. There are 4 types of dyeing technologies used worldwide to produce window films. The first method uses a colored adhesive on a transparent polyester film. This method is the most economical way of producing window films at a reasonable price. The second method is chip dyed films. Chip dyed films are made from the colored chips and demonstrate better color stability than the first method. The third method is to dye clear polyester films in a special hot dyeing bath. Deep dyed films are characterized with a high degree of optical clarity and outstanding color stability. The fourth technology includes coating polyester films with a special chemical composition containing pigments. Such films provide excellent color stability and help reduce heat. Special equipment needs to be used for obtaining even coating. These technologies are used by all leading window film manufacturers. We offer a full range of film windows, from premium quality products to the cost-effective ones at fair prices. All types of films are always available directly at our warehouses. Delivery time is minimal. You can always select and buy window films at Armolan.com, our online shop. Trust us with your security and your comfort.